You're probably someone who's avoided fights. And honestly, that's perfectly fine. Avoiding a fight isn't cowardice, it's rationality. But what happens when you can't avoid it? When a threat is so close that your brain decides diplomacy is no longer an option? In that moment, you're not thinking, you're reacting. Let's break down what actually happens in your body during your first fight, according to science. You're just living your life, walking, talking, being human, and then something shifts. You don't even know what came first. A weird look, someone yelling, a shove. But your body knows. Your hypothalamus, that small structure deep in your brain that controls chaos, starts firing. It sends a message to your body. Fight mode on. Your heart rate spikes, sending blood to your muscles. Your pupils dilate to let in more light. Muscles tense up. Why? Because every cell in your body is suddenly working toward one goal, survival. Meanwhile, your prefrontal cortex, the rational part of your brain, starts shutting down. No more calculating ethics. Your amygdala, the fear center, takes over. So now, flooded with adrenaline and noradrenaline, you're not calmly thinking. You're running on raw emotion. You may feel a buzz in your ears. Your hands might tremble. And in that moment, the question hits, can I run? Can I talk my way out of this? Can I disappear? Sometimes the answer is no. And now you're face to face with someone who's probably going through the exact same thing. Unless they're a professional fighter, then they're weirdly calm. Your brain narrows your world, no crowd, no noise, just you and them, tunnel vision, logic gone, what's left? Muscle memory. If you have any, instinct. If you don't, then it happens. Movement, chaos. You don't know who swung first, you just know the world got blurry and your body took over. If you've never trained, what you're doing isn't martial arts. It's desperation. Your movements are clumsy, poorly aimed, and there's a reason. Brain imaging studies show that under acute stress, your motor cortex, the part that controls fine movements, loses precision. That's why you look like a spaghetti noodle trying to box. You don't fight like you dreamed you would. You fight like an animal trying not to fall. And when the punch lands, it's not what you imagined. People describe the pain as cold, dull, or distant. But here's the catch. You don't really feel it. Not yet. Adrenaline is a powerful natural painkiller. It numbs you in the moment. But when it fades, yeah, you'll feel every inch of it. And after it ends, there's no victory parade. There's shaking, maybe regret, definitely pain. As the adrenaline clears, your prefrontal cortex slowly wakes back up. And with it, the consequences. What did I just do? What did I do to them? What happens next? That's cortisol now, another stress hormone, delivering the emotional invoice. Anxiety, inflammation, insomnia. And perhaps the hardest part isn't physical pain, it's mental aftermath. Even if you won, it doesn't feel like winning, because science shows us violence changes people. It leaves marks, physically and mentally. So if you can walk an extra block, take a breath, step back, do it. Because choosing not to fight is harder than fighting. And ironically, that's what makes you stronger. Bye-bye.